Gretchen, and welcome back to my channel. It is that time again for my next Stitch Fix. I am very excited for this one because I love fall and winter clothing more so than like spring and summer. So anytime I have a Stitch Fix happen during the fall or winter months, I get very excited, mostly because of just sweaters and jackets. I love that type of thing. So when this one arrived, very excited to see what was inside. Now, the note that I got from my stylist this month, I honestly don't know who my stylist is because all it says is best S. Like that's how the note inside is concluded. So I don't know who S is, but S sent me a jacket, a skirt, a sweatshirt, a brami, and a knit, not really hooded top. It's more like a cow neck top, but it's not like a sweater. So I'm definitely keeping one of these items. A second item I may potentially keep. It just kind of depends on pricing. This is my 63rd Stitch Fix, which is wild to think that we're creeping up on that 100 mark. And for anyone that is new, I get these fixes every other month. Back when I first started Stitch Fix, I would get it every single month. Then I tried like quarterly, wanted it a little bit more often, so now I get it every other month. So the next one will come in February. So let's go ahead and get started with the item that I am definitely keeping. I actually have this item already, just in a different color, and that is the brami, or at least I think it's the same one. It looks like it's the same one, but this is by Intimately by Free People. It is the Lurex Sleepin' Lounge Rib Brami. Now, the one that I have, I'm pretty sure it's by the same brand, pretty sure it's the same thing. It's gray, it's like a light gray color. Absolutely love it, especially wearing it with high-waisted pants and like a cardigan. But what drew me about this one, aside from the coloring, which is labeled as burgundy, but it's sparkly. I love that this has a little extra pizzazz to it. On its own, I would have gotten it just based on the burgundy color, but I think the little sparkle adds something extra. It doesn't rub off on you at all, which is great. Sometimes I worry about like glitter looks or any kind of thread that adds sparkle to it. It also doesn't itch at all. I'm always worried about stuff like that itching. It doesn't. Tried it on, put it up against my skin, doesn't itch. So this is a little bit of a crop because it is a brami, so it doesn't go all the way down like a regular shirt would. You can wear this with or without a bra. You can treat this as a bra, like a lounge one, or you can treat this as a top and wear a bra with it. Just kind of depends on your preference. Whenever I wear the other one, typically wear it with a bra and treat this one as a top, but you can do either or both. I love how everything about this is stretchy. The straps are stretchy. The little band at the bottom is stretchy. It also doesn't cut off. Like sometimes with these bands, it feels like you're cutting off a little bit. It feels a little bit tighter than the rest of the piece. It's not. It's all got a lot of stretch to it, which we like stretch. So if you're looking for a brami that has a little bit extra pizzazz to it, this is a great one. It is a little bit more expensive. It's a size small and it does retail for $38. I'm assuming because it's by Free People, and if you've ever gotten anything from Free People before, they are a little bit more expensive. So you may be looking at this being like, that's $38. I honestly feel like it's worth it, especially how cute it is and how comfortable it is. So this one I am definitely keeping. So let's move on to the ones that I'm not gonna keep, and then I'll end it with the one that I may end up keeping just because like I'm still on the fence about it, but I think it would be a nice piece to add to my wardrobe. So next up is an article of clothing that I'm sad to send back because it's really nice, but it's just a little outside of my budget right now, especially with the holidays here. And that is this cargo jacket from Market and Spruce. If you've been around long enough, you know how much I love Market and Spruce. This is the Kathleen Shearlin lined cargo jacket. This is olive, size small, and it retails for $98. So it is pretty close to that that $100 mark, which is the main reason why I'm sending it back. I'm also sending it back because based on the fit of this jacket, I would probably want to go up a size to a medium because it is lined on the inside, which was the draw for me. It's got this nice lined, absolutely comfortable material in there, kind of like what blankets are made out of. But because of this lining, it made it feel like there wasn't a whole lot of give, and it's a cargo jacket, so it's not going to have a whole lot of give to begin with. But I have pretty much this same cargo jacket from Market and Spruce that I got from Stitch Fix a while back. Same coloring, same exact color and same exact jacket. The only difference is the lining on the inside. So as much as I do love this because it is so soft and so comfy cozy, I'm sending it back because the price point is a little too much for me, and because if I did get it, I want to go up a size so that I could have a little bit more movement. But if you're in the market for a jacket like this, it's a great one. Again, I have the same exact jacket already, just like even the coloring is the same, just the inside isn't lined like this. It's just a regular old cargo jacket. Has a little bit more movement to it just because it doesn't have the lining like this one does. But if you're looking for a cargo jacket, I cannot recommend this one enough, or the unlined one enough. But if you're gonna go for the lined one, definitely size up to have a little bit more room. But it's a great length. It feels nice on. Now, unless you're not gonna wear like thicker sweaters with it and you don't mind about that movement, then stick true to size. But if you're like me and you would probably wear this with something a little bit thicker and you'd want a little bit more movement, size up. Again, $98 is just, it's a little too much for me right now, right here at the holidays. It's just too much. Next up, we have this crew neck sweatshirt from North Face. This is the Heritage Patch crew sweatshirt. It is in black, which I absolutely love. However, what I don't love is that a crew neck sweatshirt retails for $55. Now, I realize why it retails for $55, and it's because of that little patch right there, that little brand. I really don't like it when name brands do that. It's just like, this is a sweatshirt. This is a crew neck sweatshirt, and because there's a little name on it, like North Face, it suddenly goes from like 30 some dollars to $55. I'm not here for that. I can go on Amazon and buy a similar crew neck sweatshirt without the little logo on there from like Hanes, and it'd be $22 or $25, and it'd be probably more comfortable than this one, because this one I would probably have sized up on. It fit nicely. It wasn't too small or anything like that, but for crew neck sweatshirts like this, I do like an oversized fit, and this did not give it. And there's really nothing special about this. It's just a black crew neck sweatshirt like you would expect, but it has the North Face name attached to it. Not a whole lot of give, not a whole lot of stretch at all, not even like in the sleeves where the elastic is. So if you're looking for a crew neck sweatshirt, but you're not willing to spend $55 on it, don't go for this one. Again, nothing wrong with it other than I feel it's overpriced because of the name brand attached to it. Next up is this skirt from Market & Spruce. It is the Adelie corduroy skirt, color green, size 4, and it did fit pretty true to size. So whatever your pant size is, this is pretty true to size, and it retails for $54. A few reasons I'm not keeping this one. As much as I love the color on this, price point is a little much, $54 for a skirt. And as much as I love skirts like this, it's got pockets in the back. Got a nice, if you want to wear a belt with your skirt, it does have like belt loops. The pockets, not that deep. You might be able to put a stick of gum in there. That's about it. Some cough drops. As much as I like a skirt like this, I don't wear them nearly enough to warrant spending $54 on a skirt that I might wear out one time and then forget about. I also already have 2 corduroy skirts that I don't wear. I have a black pair and I have like a tan pair, which goes with a lot more than this green pair does. And I don't wear them that much already. I keep them because you never know. I may get to the point where I declutter my closet for the 50 millionth time and they go, but at least they work with a little bit more in my wardrobe than this green color does. As much as I like this green color, it is a gorgeous one. It's kind of like an emerald green. There's a lot of things in this fix that are labeled just green, but they're like various shades of green. So I'd say that this one is more emerald green or pine green. And it's a really nice skirt. It fits pretty well. It does have some stretch in the waist, which is nice. Not so much down at the bottom though. So if you're in the market for a cute corduroy skirt and you want a fun color, this is a great one. I recommend anything by Market & Spruce. Their stuff is always amazing. I just can't swing $54 for a skirt that I may or may not wear one time and then I might forget about. So as cute as it is, it's gotta go back. And then the final item is also by Market & Spruce. Again, love Market & Spruce immensely. This is the item that I'm still on the fence about whether or not I wanna keep. Don't really know quite yet. I have until like, I extended my period of keeping the box for several days after receiving it, just so I can have a little bit more time to make up my mind. It is the Cameron Cow Neck Brushed Knit Top. It says the color is dark green, even though there are a lot of colors going on in it. Size small, and it retails for $42. So next to the Brahmi, it is the next cheapest item, which works out for me that the two items that I like happen to be the cheapest ones in the fix. Now, the main reason why I'm on the fence about this one is I've gotten tops like this before from Stitch Fix, and I like them, but again, it's like the skirts. I forget about them, or I just don't wear them as often as I thought I would. Now, the thing about this one is that this is a great top for lounging around, running errands, going to the gym. There's just so much that could be done with this top. I also like the color scheme of it. You do have what I consider my favorite kind of shade of green up here at the top. It's like that olive color. And then down at the bottom, you have black with like a little bit of gray speckled in there. And then you have stripes here, which are white and black. I love this a lot, and I'm still on the fence about it. It's very soft. I can see myself wearing this to the gym, running errands in it. Just a really cozy, comfortable top. I also really like that it's cow neck. I like that it's not a hood, but I like that it kind of gives the illusion of one. It's also got the little drawstrings there. It's just a really nice top, and I do think I would wear it more often than the ones that I've kept in the past, just based on color alone. This one tends to go with a little bit more of what is already in my wardrobe. Like in the past, I've gotten pink ones before, and it's just like not really me. May have been me at the time, but not me any longer. This, on the other hand, definitely is a little bit more me. The more I talk about it, the more I think I'm talking to myself into keeping it. I like it. I'm just like, do I want to keep two this time around, or would I rather just keep the Brahmi and send this one back? So everything in this fix comes to a total of $287, which is pretty expensive. If I were to keep all 5 items, get that 25% off discount, that would take off $71.75. My order subtotal then would be $215.25. Now, I don't know what goes on with Stitch Fix. I constantly get emails from them saying that I've gotten $25 off because someone signed up with my link, and then it comes out that I don't have that. So I don't know what's going on the back end of Stitch Fix and the emails they send out, but it's never accurate. So for this fix, it's a really expensive one. I'm not willing to spend that much. Definitely planning to keep the Brahmi. Still on the fence about this one, but the more I talk about it, the more I'm like, I think I am gonna keep it. Let me know what items you like the most in this fix. I will have everything listed below in the description in case you are curious to try any of these items yourself. You will know what to ask for. And if you are interested in signing up with Stitch Fix, I do have a referral link in the description. You sign up, you get $25 off, as well as myself. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go down there and hit that subscribe button, as well as that notification bell, so YouTube will let you know when I upload next. But until next time, bye all!